Hello friends, welcome to Biology Concern. I am Animesh, and in this video I am going to discuss about position effect, a phenomenon by which an active gene can be silenced by a phenomenon known as translocation. So what is position effect and how a gene can be silenced by changing its position? So let's jump into the topic. Firstly, what is the position effect? So position effect basically is the effect of the expression of a gene. That means a functional gene can be non-functional. So a functional gene can be non-functional, okay, due to change its location in a chromosome. Okay, so when the location of that particular gene is changed inside of a chromosome, often called by translocation, so this time the functional gene can be non-functional. Okay, that means this gene is now been silenced. Okay, so in this case this gene now been silenced. Okay, now what about heterochromatin and euchromatin? So basically a chromosome has two distinct portion in its total area or region. One is known as euchromatin and other is known as heterochromatin. So if I draw heterochromatin in here, so in this case these heterochromatin portions are tightly packed. So in case here these nucleosomes, so nucleosome 1, nucleosome 2, nucleosome 3, nucleosome 4, so all of these nucleosomes are tightly packed. In case here tightly packed, in case here tightly packed with the DNA. So this is our DNA. So in this case all of the histone proteins are tightly packed the DNA, and here no mRNA can be produced from here. Okay, so basically mRNA production requires the activation of RNA polymerase. So basically no RNA polymerase can bind with that particular DNA sequences because this DNA sequence is tightly packed with nucleosomes. And in case here in euchromatin regions functional genes are present, so all of the functional genes are present. In case here these euchromatin regions, as you observed here, that nucleosomes are loosely packed the DNA, and in case here RNA polymerase can be bind with that particular DNA region. So this is, if this is the DNA, so RNA polymerase can bind with the DNA and produces the functional mRNA, but in this case RNA polymerase cannot bind with that particular DNA. So this is the euchromatin and heterochromatin. Now so in case here, in case of heterochromatin, so if I draw it heterochromatin here and if I draw it euchromatin here, so in this case a functional enzymes known as HAT is work, that is histone acetyl transferase. So histone acetyl transferase enzyme works perfectly on euchromatin region, but in case here DNA is tightly packed with nucleosomes, each of the every nucleosome, so those HATs cannot act on here. So there is no activation of HAT. So no activation of HAT. If HAT is not activated, this particular gene is not be transcribed, because when HAT is activated, so HAT requires many of the cofactors like CBP, crepe binding protein, or P300s, that means PCAF or PCAF. So PCAF stands for P300 CBP associated factors. So basically when these cofactors are activates the HAT, histone acetyl transferases, those particular histone transferases acts on each of the nucleosome and creates acetylation on them. Each of the histone protein now been acetylated, and the properties of this particular nucleosomes converted from basic to acidic. So if this properties is converted from basic to acidic, now our nucleosome is also acidic. So nucleosome is acidic, and our DNA is also acidic. Okay, so DNA is also acidic in nature, so acid acid interaction cannot be occurred. So in this case acid acid interaction cannot be occurred, so DNA loosen up from this particular nucleosome, and when it loosen up, RNA polymerase to attach with this particular DNA and produces mRNA and ultimately produces some kind of proteins. In this case inflammatory proteins is generated, but when RNA polymerase bind with that particular DNA, a transcription occurs. So by transcription we got a functional mRNA, and from mRNA, from the translation, we got our desired protein. So this is our desired protein. So this kind of phenomenon actually occurred in the eukaryochromatin region, but in case of heterochromatin region, no functional hat is activated, so no hat is activated. So when hat is inactivated, no RNA polymerase binding is occur. So RNA polymerase cannot bind with particular these nucleosomes or DNAs, because nucleosome does not loosens up the DNA, so RNA polymerase cannot bind with that particular DNA, and here no RNA polymerase cannot bind with the particular DNA, so no mRNA produces from here, so no mRNA produces from here, and we got nothing, we got no protein in case of this heterochromatin region. So whenever a gene is placed in this particular heterochromatin region, this gene can be non-functional in nature. Okay, so in our next step we look about translocation. So what is a translocation? So in case of translocation, the translocation is a phenomenon by which a functional segment of a gene or segment of a chromosome is transferred from one position to another position and is ultimately attached with that particular position. So if you look at diagram, that is a figure 1, if you look at particular this diagram, so this is the green color marked is gene, our functional gene is here. So this is the euchromatin region, total euchromatin region is that, and this is the heterochromatin region is that, and here centromere is present, so centromere is present here. So in this case, this particular segment actually transhifts from here to here. So from euchromatin it is situated now being in the middle of heterochromatin. So when this functional gene is placed over the heterochromatin region, because the nature of this particular heterochromatin region are in non-functional in nature, so in this case RNA polymerase cannot bound with particular DNA sequence. If RNA polymerase cannot bound with particular DNA sequence, so it cannot produces a mRNA, so it cannot produces functional mRNA, so functional mRNA, and we have got nothing, no protein is found from here. Okay, so in this case in heterochromatin region we have got nothing, so this functional gene is now been silenced due to change its position. Okay, from euchromatin to heterochromatin, so this is euchromatin and this is the heterochromatin region. So whenever this gene shifts from euchromatin region to heterochromatin is now been silenced. Clear? So in this case in right side's figure you observe that in this case hat is functional, in this case euchromatin, and RNA polymerase still works in here, so we have got functional mRNA. But when chromatin regulators occur or chromatin regulators present, and these chromatin regulators repressed the transcription because it actually condensed the sequence each. So here in figure 1 there is loose packed of DNA with nucleosome, but in figure 2 there is a condensed packaging of nucleosome with DNA is occurred. So here RNA polymerase cannot bound, so in this case RNA polymerase cannot bound with this region, so cannot bound with this region, and no functional mRNA is been produced. So no functional mRNA is been produced, and if no functional mRNA is been produced, so we have got no protein, so we got no protein or nothing at all. So that means the total gene is now been silenced. Okay, so what happens when position effects occur? So you clearly observe that this white gene is present in here, and this is loosely This is loosely packed in euchromatin region but densely packed in heterochromatin region. So in heterochromatin region densely packaging is occurred. So whenever this white gene shifts its position from here to here, that means this gene is shifted from here to here in associated with heterochromatin region, it's also packed tightly. So it also the packaging here is condensed. So if this packaging is condensed, so hat is not functioning here, so hat is not functional in here, okay, and no protein is produced, so we cannot get any kind of protein from here. So this gene now been silenced, so we now call this gene is now been silenced. Okay, this is the phenomenon of position effect. Whenever a gene shifts its position from euchromatin to heterochromatin, is now being deactivated or silenced. So if you like that video, please hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.